From Zero to JLPT N5, this is lesson 48. So today we will move on to a new grammar format, which is this Verb Stem plus ni iku. Using this grammar format, you can say things like I will go to the restaurant to eat sushi, or I will go to the library to borrow a book. Things like that. So this grammar format can indicate the purpose of going to a specific place. And this is the grammar format. Destination, ni, the purpose, why you are going to that place. Then ni particle, 行きます、来ます、帰ります。It looks a lot at first, but it's not that difficult. So, if the sentence is I'm going to the restaurant to eat sushi. To eat sushi, that's the purpose. Why you are going to that restaurant. So, to eat sushi comes in this place. Verb stem means this. If the verb is 食べます, drop mas off, then the remaining part, 食べ, that's the verb stem. So we will be using this verb stem today. Verb stem plus ni, 行きます, because you are going to that restaurant. I will show you one example.I'm going to the restaurant to eat sushi. レストランに寿司を食べに行きます。So destination is restaurant. Then after the ni particle to indicate the destination. Then this is the purpose. Why you are going to that restaurant. This time,To eat sushi, that's the purpose. So, 寿司を食べ verb stem に行きます。Let's review the grammar format once again. Destination に particle because に indicates destination direction. Then the purpose why you are going there. To eat sushi.comes in here. Then after the verb stem 食べ ni particle, then lastly 行きます because you are going. If the sentence is I'm going home to take a shower, then to take a shower, that's the purpose. And I'm going home, that's the verb.Therefore, you need to use 帰ります in that context. If, for example, my friend came to my house to watch a movie together, then my friend came. The verb is to come. In that case, you have to use 来ます instead. So let's look at the example once again.I'm going to the restaurant to eat sushi. Destination is restaurant, so it comes up first. Restaurant, ni. Then to eat sushi, that's the purpose. Sushi を食べに行きます because you are going. So we will focus on this grammar format today to indicate the purpose.of going to a specific place. Another example. She came to Japan to work. This time the verb is to come. So it's like this. 彼女は日本に仕事しに来ました。The destination is Japan.Therefore, 日本 then ni particle. To work this is the purpose. So the verb stem is 仕事し。Mas form is 仕事します。So you have to drop mas off. Then the remaining part. Verb stem is 仕事し。So after that add に particle. Then lastly the verb 来ました came. So now I'd like you to do this exercise. Stop the video and translate the sentences into Japanese. When you are ready, please come back. Now the answers. I go back home to eat lunch. うちに昼ご飯を食べに帰ります。Destination is home. So うち and に particle. To eat lunch, this is the purpose. 昼ご飯を食べ Verb stem is 食べ Then に particle, then lastly the verb. This time to go back home. 帰ります。Next one. I'm going to the library to borrow a book. 図書館に本を借りに行きます。Destination is library, so it comes up first. 図書館 and に particle. The purpose is to borrow a book. 本を借り Verb stem is 借り So add に particle, then lastly the verb 行きます to go. Lastly, I'm going to Tokyo to meet my friend. Destination is Tokyo. So Tokyo and に particle. The purpose is to meet my friend. 友達に会い The verb stem of meet is I because originally 会います So drop mas off. The remaining part is the verb stem I. After 友達 you have to use に particle because of this verb 会います When you use the verb 会います Usually we use に particle instead of を So be careful with this one. Then lastly the verb 行きます to go. Now I will read the sentence, so please repeat after me. うちに昼ご飯を食べに帰ります。図書館に本を借りに行きます。東京に友達に会いに行きます。Very good job. So if you have any questions about this grammar format or any other things, please send me questions anytime and I will be very happy to answer your questions. Lastly, I have this homework for you. Please translate the sentences into Japanese and put your answers in the comment below. And you can refer to those verbs when you do the homework. To take a photo is 撮ります. But to get something is also 撮ります. They use different kanjis, but same pronunciation. So good luck with your homework and I really look forward to seeing your homework. みんな今日もありがとう. I will see you again in the next lesson then. みんなまたね. Bye bye.